All right, so I'm working on my Christmas mice, but I had to take a break. It's best for me to do that. Plus, I have a lot of housework to do. I mean, I'm gonna show you my kitchen right now. There it is, my kitchen in all its glory. Why is it like this? Yesterday, I was working as a election inspector. There's my jackalope there. Oh boy, here it is, November 3rd. All right, so I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. I don't normally work that way where I set it for a full 30 minutes. Normally what I do is do 15 minutes at a time. When your dishes come out wet, it's time to put in some water softener. I love this third rack that I have here on this particular dishwasher. This is a great dishwasher. My French press coffee maker makes really good coffee. Wet cleaning cloth and just wipe this down and then come in with the microfiber. Okay, let's move on to the bathroom. There was something about Cooper. I call him a once-in-a-lifetime dog. I think once in your life you come across a very special dog. If you adopt them, to describe, but if you have a dog like that in your life, you know what I'm talking about. Got the important things done in the bathroom. The sink and the toilet done. The microwave looks pretty good. The the stovetop counters are clean. Refrigerator. try to rescue this. I'm taking it all off. I'm going to start over tomorrow. I don't like it. I ruined it. I overdid it. But tomorrow is another day and it will come out good. And you know what? If I'd end up not having Christmas mice this year, and it looks like that's going to be the case, because I can't seem to put two Christmas mice paintings together.